Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the white background from your photos, like from your black object in CapCut PC. I'm just going to place it on the second track, and I'm also going to add in a background here. So select your image or video, just go to blend mode and then select the darken one, and it's just going to remove that white background. If you selected like chroma key, it's not going to work very well. Okay, I think it also works with the shadow, but it doesn't work for some like videos for some reasons. So you can also use that, and you can also select auto cutout, but I find it best if you just go to blend mode and select darken. It's just super easy. And to do it the other way around, for instance, you want to remove this black background, just go to blend mode and select screen or brighten. I'm not sure if it works for chroma key. It could also work with the color picker as well. Okay, it doesn't work. So for like the black background, it doesn't work. So just go to blend mode and again select brighten or screen. But for the other way around, I think it works just fine. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.